Hey guys, so how you can possibly solve the issue with the Bybit 2FA authentication is not working. This is something I found on crypto.com. Maybe it's going to help you for Bybit too. So someone wrote here, when this kind of error happens, is it usually because your clock or time zone is off by more than 30 seconds? Try to double check it is properly synchronized, both the time zone and your phone clock. So this is the thing that you can actually check out for you, that maybe this is the reason why it's not working. And maybe after this is going to work. I wish you all the best, but try it out. Maybe thanks to that, you are going to be able to work for you. So thank you very much for watching and have that. And also someone wrote here, make sure you are connected to the internet when using Authenticator. This is another thing.